Do you often find yourself with urgency to urinate more times than you'd like? This common issue of frequent urination, day or night, can disrupt your sleep and create anxiety in social situations. But what if we told you that there are 3 practical solutions to help overactive bladder or nocturia? Stay tuned, as the second on the list can help optimize your bladder. The first step to taking control is reassessing your hydration habits. Now it's essential to stay hydrated, but it's equally important to consider when you're drinking. Therefore, try to limit your fluid intake a few hours before you go to bed. This can help reduce those pesky nighttime bathroom visits. Also, be aware of diuretics like coffee and alcohol. These can send you to the bathroom more often than you'd like. By tweaking your hydration habits, you can make a big difference in your frequent urination. As we delve into the second solution, stay attentive for the third, as the majority of individuals viewing this video have been affected by the cause we will address. The second solution involves a bit of discipline, and it's called bladder training. Imagine this as a workout routine for your bladder where you gradually increase the time between bathroom visits. This practice can strengthen your bladder muscles, enabling them to hold more urine. It's like training for a marathon. Every extra minute counts. However, it's important to remember that every body is unique. Therefore, before embarking on this bladder marathon, always consult with a healthcare provider. Bladder training can be a game changer, but remember to always consult with a healthcare provider. The third solution might surprise you. It's all about your diet. Have you ever noticed urgency to urinate after a spicy meal or a citrusy dessert? That's not a coincidence. Certain foods can irritate the bladder, leading to more frequent urination. Spicy foods, citrus fruits, and even artificial sweeteners can be culprits. By avoiding these, you're not just satisfying your hunger, you're also taking a step towards better bladder control. Remember, a few dietary changes can go a long way in improving your urinary habits. So, there you have it. 3 practical solutions to help you pee less. Hydrate smartly, train your bladder, and tweak your diet a bit. Always remember, a consultation with a healthcare provider is vital. If you found this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to click on the video that pops up on your screen. Here's to other educative video and more healthy living.